Apple is about to do the impossible move once again. If there is one company that can make big, dumb money-making moves, it is Apple. Other brands can make foldable phones, rollable phones, under-screen camera phones, faster charging than freaking Flash, but all of them combined cannot take an industry-moving decision, which only Apple can do, and they all follow. So after killing the headphone jack in 2016, charger and headphones in 2020, Apple could be killing two more things. According to a leaked Apple survey in Portuguese, Apple could remove a USB cable from the iPhone's packaging along with a SIM card ejector tool. Now, why would they remove the USB-C to Lightning cable out of the box? Well, as we have heard earlier in the leaks, the next iPhone might not have a charging port at all. Apple's ultimate plan is to build a wireless iPhone, and for that they need to remove the charging port, and the solution is already here, which is called MagSafe. The whole point of iPhone 12 series is to simply make the MagSafe popular enough. Once that's done, Apple is ready to initiate its next money-making move, that is getting rid of the charging port and make people buy their MagSafe charger. Apple will do absolutely anything in their path to avoid using USB-C port on their iPhones. This move can make Apple so much money than you can imagine. I'm a tech YouTuber and even I don't have a MagSafe charger, and I'm pretty sure majority of Apple users don't have it either, so we all have to buy this, and this will make them a lot more money. Now, speaking of MagSafe, a big shout out to sponsor of today's video, Moft. Moft has just released world's first MagSafe compatible stand and wallet for iPhone 12 series. It's time to use your iPhone in new ways. All you have to do is just snap this on the back of your phone and boom, you are set to go. In addition to a normal portrait mode stand, you can also use your phone in landscape mode and my favorite, floating landscape mode. This will allow you to watch media content on your iPhone in a really enjoyable way. It's only 5mm thin, making it around 10mm thinner than Apple's official wallet. Despite that slim premium profile, it allows you to store up to 3 cards. Wireless charging is supported and it acts as a double magnet, so you can attach your iPhone to your environment. It comes in 4 different flavors to match your iPhone style, and for only $29.99, this thing is a true game changer. I highly recommend checking out their tablet stand and their laptop stand, which definitely has improved my workflow. So check out the link in the description and start using your iPhone 12 in ways you never imagined. Now back to the video. If you have an open mind, think of this like a one-time investment. Once you have a MagSafe charger, you definitely won't have to buy it again. And with the elimination of charging port, Apple could perhaps really improve the water resistance, maybe throw a bigger battery, and best of all, they can reduce the price. Now, worst part about this is that other brands will eventually copy Apple. It's already happening. Samsung might not be shipping a fast charger with the Galaxy S21 in some markets, and the second brand rumored to follow this move is Huawei. Now, interestingly, this same survey also talks about bringing back a previous feature, which is a in-display Touch ID. Basically, Apple asks users whether they prefer Touch ID or Face ID. We've heard this already in the leaks, so this might actually happen, and especially with Face ID not that effective in current pandemic situation, an in-display Touch ID could be very effective. Also in the news, iPhone 13 Pro models could finally offer 120Hz display because Samsung is giving them some of that sweet LTPO adaptive refresh rate juice. According to South Korean media, Apple is looking to implement 120Hz adaptive refresh rate on the Pro iPhone 13 models thanks to Samsung's help, because Samsung will be the key manufacturer of that OLED display and offer LTPO. This will give Apple the full control over the refresh rate to optimize things efficiently. Apple is looking to ship between 160 to 180 million 5G iPhone models next year, and one of the key improvements will be the improvement in display technology, and most likely that is 120Hz LTPO coming to the Pro models. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 13 models will once again be 4 iPhones, from iPhone 13 mini all the way up to iPhone 13 Pro Max 5G. Speaking of mini, the current iPhone 12 mini is struggling when it comes to sales. According to current survey, Apple iPhone 12 mini only has 4 to 5% of sales at major US carriers. This may be because Apple already offers a really good good mini flagship level phone, the iPhone SE 2020, at just $349. It definitely is one of the best selling phones of 2020, and I think it's definitely responsible for bottlenecking the sales of the iPhone 12 mini. But that's not gonna stop Apple next year, because iPhone 13 mini is coming. It's not gonna have the 120Hz display for sure, but it will offer core major upgrades of the iPhone 13 lineup. One of those could be a big resolution main camera and also a highly improved ultra wide angle lens. So that's all the latest news. Next year, Apple could make even bigger moves than you can imagine. This year we had the iPhone and USB cable out of the box, but next year it might just be the iPhone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.